All right, let's talk about Nvidia. This company has become the center of attention in the tech world, and for good reason. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just someone interested in the latest tech trends, Nvidia's story is one you can't ignore. It's the chip giant everybody's been watching, and its influence stretches far beyond just gaming graphics cards. Nvidia is now a powerhouse in artificial intelligence, data centers, and even self-driving cars. With Q2 earnings being released today after market closing, investors are buzzing with anticipation. The excitement is palpable on Wall Street, and everyone's trying to predict what's next for this tech titan. So, what's really going on, and is there a big surprise coming? Let's break it down and see what the numbers and the rumors are telling us. First off, Nvidia's been on a rocket ride this year. AI demand, exploding. The company's stock has surged, reflecting the massive optimism around its future. Data centers, growing like wild. These facilities are the backbone of the digital world, and Nvidia's chips are powering more and more of them every quarter. Wall Street's expecting something huge, but how huge? The stakes are higher than ever, and the pressure is on for Nvidia to deliver. Analysts are predicting about $28 billion in revenue for Q2. That's a staggering figure, and it shows just how much faith the market has in Nvidia's ability to execute. That's up more than 100% year over year. Crazy, right? It's not every day you see a company of this size doubling its revenue in just 12 months. The main engine? Those high-powered AI chips? The H100S, and now the new Blackwell series? These chips are the gold standard for artificial intelligence workloads, and demand is off the charts. Companies everywhere are fighting to get their hands on these. From startups to Fortune 500 giants, everyone wants Nvidia's technology to power their next big thing. But here's where it gets interesting. There's more to this story than just big numbers and hot products. Some insiders say Nvidia might beat even those sky-high expectations. Why? There are whispers of even stronger demand than analysts have forecasted, and some believe Nvidia's supply chain is firing on all cylinders. Cloud giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are all ramping up their AI spending. These companies are in a race to build the most advanced AI infrastructure, and Nvidia is their go-to supplier. And Nvidia is pretty much the only game in town when it comes to those supercharged AI processors. Their dominance in this space is almost unrivaled, giving them a huge competitive edge. Now, before I get into the wildest prediction, don't forget, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and keeps you in the loop for all the latest updates. And hey, if you want to unlock special members-only content and exclusive videos, join the channel as a member. You'll get access to deep dives, behind-the-scenes analysis, and more. All right, back to it. Let's get into what could really move the needle for Nvidia this quarter. Here's what could seriously shake up the market. There are a few potential bombshells that could send Nvidia's stock soaring or tumbling. There's a rumor floating that Nvidia might announce new partnerships, or even a stock split. Either of these could be a game changer for investors. A stock split would make shares more affordable, drawing in a whole new wave of investors. It's a move that often signals confidence from management and can create a surge in buying activity. Remember what happened after the last split? The stock soared. History could repeat itself if Nvidia pulls the trigger again, but there's risk too. The higher the expectations, the bigger the potential disappointment if Nvidia doesn't deliver. Nvidia's valuation is sky high, so any miss, even by a hair, could spark a sell-off. Investors are on edge, and the market can be unforgiving, and the competition isn't sitting still. AMD and Intel are both making aggressive moves to catch up in the AI chip race. AMD and Intel are racing to catch up, investing billions in research and development to close the gap with Nvidia. And even tech giants are trying to build their own AI chips. Companies like Google and Amazon are developing custom silicon to reduce their reliance on Nvidia. Plus, the US-China trade tensions? Still a wild card. Any new restrictions or tariffs could impact Nvidia's global business and supply chain. Here's my take. If Nvidia crushes expectations and throws in a jaw-dropping announcement, the stock could rally hard. We could see a wave of optimism sweep through the entire tech sector. Miss the mark though, and things might get bumpy. Volatility is the name of the game when expectations are this high. So, if you're an investor, pay close attention. This is one of those moments that could define your portfolio's performance for the rest of the year. This earnings call could set the tone for the whole tech sector. What happens with Nvidia will ripple out to other companies, from chip makers to cloud providers and beyond. That's my Q2 prediction rundown. There's a lot at stake, and the next few days could be pivotal for Nvidia and the entire market. What do you think? Are you bullish, bearish, or just watching from the sidelines? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Your support means a lot, and helps us bring you more in-depth analysis. Want deeper dives and exclusive insights? Hit that join button and become a channel member. You'll get early access to videos, special reports, and a community of like-minded investors. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep your eyes on Nvidia.